GMT essentially rose 36.35% in 7 days, or so they thought. Bull control GMTs in every practical sense, current cost activities, which especially is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN explicitly is floating at $346,717,663 in a really significant manner. Current STEPN cost for the most part is $0.29 30 October 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these oftentimes in every practical sense. Got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is transient cost expectation for STEPN. Fundamentally is GMT an excellent venture, which truly is genuinely critical. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they essentially thought. Yet, prior to plunging profound into the GMT specialized investigation, essentially let us generally discuss the sort of current economic situations, which generally is very huge. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,276,444,521,247, which certainly is genuinely critical. The in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $33,863,355,643, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%. Genuinely further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN basically is drifting at $346,717,663, which for the most part is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, showing how GMT essentially rose 36.35% in 7 days, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time span in an extremely significant manner. XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP really is up by 0.86 and presently exchanging at 56 cents, which all things considered, shows what especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, genuinely further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN fundamentally is floating at $346,717,663, which basically is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market truly is going in a kind of descending heading for sort of present moment, so 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN basically is drifting at $346,717,663 in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a general quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly is very critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers explicitly become certainly more especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which vendors explicitly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exceptionally further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time span, which for the most part is very critical. Following most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, in a real sense is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the beyond 24 hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02. Following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period in a sort of significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while exceptionally complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars in a genuinely significant manner. There basically are very nearly 1,104,192,453 really are available for use out of 5,566,425,803 in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Examination for 30 October 2023, inside a for the most part day-to-day time span, explicitly made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the STEPN, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, showing how GMT in a real sense rose 36.35% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The truly relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI in every practical sense is at 37. Which especially shows that the genuinely complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $33,863,355,643, or so they in a real sense thought. While GMT's Williams % R pointer in every practical sense is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, especially signal truly is truly conceivable at this reach, which for the most part shows that following truly are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, certainly is at 29 cents. Up 25.02% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time span in an extremely significant manner. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, especially further appearance, how one-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars,